Welcome. In front of me I have the Polaroid, which one was it? The P3 music player, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the actual device itself. Okay, so let's pop it open. I am going to do a little bit of a sound test right here just so you can hear how it actually performs. So it has this kind of like an old stereo design with a more modern approach to it. It's pretty interesting. And obviously kind of fresh. Haven't seen such a thing before. We do have, Jesus, that's more like a poster rather than the instruction, but okay. No, and I think actually it is a poster on the other side. Wow. Okay. Anyway, here we get the actual device itself. It is actually smaller than I expected. The box is significantly bigger. As you can see, we do have space around. So I actually expected this to be a bit bigger. Okay, there we go, whipping that out. We have a little carrying case, and we have what looks to be dust on here. I don't know if you can see it. Huh. Interesting. Not the best kind of thing to be presented to, but oh well. Hopefully it performs well. And here we get absolutely nothing. And here we probably have a cable. Come on. Oh, for goodness sake. I can just do with this. So it's a Type-C to Type-C. Gonna yank that back in here. I already get my Type-C to Type-C cable around here. And okay, so it looks like it's just gonna be charging through Type-C, and there's no charger included in the box. Okay, tossing that to the side, let's see if the device actually comes with any kind of charge, if I can actually figure out how to turn it on. Come on. I know I'm a boomer, but like, come on. No, no. No, no, no. Okay, so something tells me that it is not charged. This probably won't be a good enough charger for it, considering this is for Samsung, so we'll see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, but it's completely dead. Now hopefully I can actually play music while it's in this kind of discharged state but plugged in, so we'll see. Come on. Or I probably can't. So that's a bit disappointing. I was kind of wondering how this sounds like. Now, just to kind of give you an overview, this is a 35 watt speaker, and it apparently uses some kind of Polaroid application that can play music through, though it does come with Bluetooth, which you can kind of see the pairing right here, and NFC, so you can just kind of like tap your phone right here and automatically connect it. In terms of the buttons, they are kind of weird, I would say. So we have the play, skip back, skip forward, the volume rocker, which I presume. It's a very tactile and nice feeling rocker right here. The actual little gear right here is made out of kind of like a plastic. It doesn't really feel too great, but the kind of like skipping, it does feel nice. It has these defined steps, and it doesn't feel cheap, so that's good. Then we got the music button. Not sure what that does. I guess that's a liked song or whatever, and I already mentioned this. One thing that I want to also point out, and the little handle right here, I think it's aluminum, but unfortunately it doesn't like collapse into it, which would have been a nice little feature, because it just kind of always protrudes like this. And additionally it's kind of at an angle, which the device itself would stand at an angle, as you can see, based on these rubberized feet right here. Now at the back we just have some little plastic, and we have, if you can kind of see it, I presume those most likely aren't tweeters. Leads me to believe what is on here. So yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna really speculate right here. Maybe I can turn it on. Come on. Yeah, no, maybe so. Come on. Would be fantastic. I'm kind of grasping at straws trying to figure out which button turns it on. But at the moment, I just think that it's not gonna let me use it because the battery's probably too low. So anyway, I'm just gonna cut out this and finish it off. I really did want to listen to it, but unlike most devices, this one came discharged, which is a bad thing. I do want to point that out, as batteries being discharged for long periods of time don't really bode well for the longevity of the battery life. Sorry for that. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame. Hopefully it still works. I'm pretty sure it will. At least the battery might be a little bit worse than advertised. But yeah, so there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.